as you can tell, I'm currently standing in the middle of 2nd Street, and it's really snowing bad. You can tell there's no cars coming each way. Well, there may be a few down that way, but most of them are parked. Yeah, they're parked. Got one here. We got a bunch snowed in like that. That person looks like they may be stuck. As you can tell, and as you can hear, the snow is still coming down, and it's really bad out here. It's so bad that you can tell that the sign right here is broken. Can't even see what it says. Well, this is 2nd Avenue, Sioux Falls. Yeah, here comes the wind, and here comes a car. I shouldn't really be standing out on the street, but look at that. Brave souls with a weather condition like this, advising you not to go anywhere. Very brave people. That'll be the end of my video. All right, thank you.